Welcome to this technical guide on the HP14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you are unable to access your hard drive, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty connection, a damaged hard drive, or corrupted data. If left unresolved, it may lead to data loss or further damage to your device, making it imperative to address the problem sooner rather than later. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement hard drive if necessary. To begin, ensure your HP14 is powered off and unplugged. Then, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back cover. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips along the edges. Inside, you should see the hard drive compartment. The hard drive is typically held in place by a bracket. Locate this bracket and remove any screws securing it. Be gentle while doing this, as applying too much force can cause damage to surrounding components. Once the screws are out, you can carefully slide the hard drive out of its bay. If you're replacing the hard drive, take your new hard drive and slide it into the same bay, ensuring it's connected properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After ensuring the new hard drive is secure, reattach the bracket with the screws you previously removed. Before closing the back cover, double-check that all connections are secure and that no tools or loose screws are left inside the laptop. Now, gently place the back cover back onto the HP14 and reinsert all the screws to secure it in place. Once everything is back together, power on your laptop to verify that the hard drive is recognized and functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, repeat the steps to ensure everything is properly connected. To prevent this problem from occurring again, make sure to regularly back up your data and handle your laptop with care, avoiding any drops or impacts that may affect the hard drive. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.